Hi, I'm Ellen from Swissco. Today we'll be replacing a Simonton coil balance assembly with Swissco's 15259 pivot shoe, a Series 159 coil balance with a 15255 coil support and a 26083 pivot bar. This project may be difficult for some, so if you aren't comfortable with modifying your window, consider contacting a professional. Use a slotted screwdriver to unlock the pivot shoe and slide it up to the coil assembly. The pivot shoe will be under tension here, so keep a firm grip on the screwdriver. Next, remove the spring cover and bushing. Slide a slotted screwdriver behind the pivot shoe and begin working it out of the cutout, followed by the spring. In this window, the pivot shoe is broken apart and is coming out in two pieces. Now, connect your new spring to the new 15259 pivot shoe. Install the new balance assembly by inserting its spring first into the track. You may need to enlarge the existing cutout or make a new cutout at the top of the track for this project. Then insert the coil support and fasten it in place. We recommend you replace the coil balance assemblies on both sides of the window. So repeat these steps on the other side. The original Simonton pivot bars will not fit into the new pivot shoe. You'll need to replace them with a new pair of 26083 pivot bars. If you have any questions about this project or your window hardware, please feel free to visit our part identifier and ask our experts at swissco.com.